Hello, welcome to SuperVidy AI Agents Hub, your one-stop platform for creating AI agents tailored to your business and workflow needs. Our range of AI agents includes the Knowledge AI Agent, Co-Browsing AI Agent, Robotic Automation AI Agent, Process Discovery AI Agent, and Workflow AI Agent. Today, we will focus on the Knowledge AI Agent that leverages RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation capabilities. Let's dive into the process of creating a Knowledge AI agent. To get started, click on the Create button. Here, you'll find various types of collections that include unstructured data files such as PDFs, PPTs, Excel files, and videos. The agent is also capable of extracting answers from databases, conducting live searches on websites, and transcribing audio. In this session, our focus will be on unstructured data files. Let's assign the name Testing Agent to our new agent and provide a brief description. We also have the option to select a model from the available choices: 4o Mini, 4o Gemini Meta, and our proprietary Supavity MOE, a mixture of experts model. This model leverages the best capabilities of all large language models, depending on the task at hand. For now, we will proceed with the GP4o Mini. We also need to select the base language, which is the primary language of our documents. In this case, it's English. Once these steps are completed, click on Create. Welcome to the main quadrant of the collection workspace. This is where you can add documents, URLs, and any additional text. You also have the option to connect to Google Drive or SharePoint. Let's explore the different types of documents we can query. Click on Upload, and you'll be presented with a variety of documents. For instance, here we have a PDF white paper written for universities. Let's start by uploading a file and clicking Submit. It will take a moment to vectorize the data. Next, we'll select this PowerPoint presentation on SuperVidy for banks and submit it. We can also test with a video. Here's one that provides an introduction to SuperBTI. We'll select and submit it. Finally, we'll submit an Excel sheet containing all our pricing information. Looking at the data we've uploaded, it can be seen in the Managed Upload Documents section. We've uploaded a PDF white paper, a video introducing SuperVidy, a banking presentation, and an Excel document. This is the place where we can continue uploading documents. The next part is about system prompting. This involves adding guardrails and personality to the agent. We're instructing the Knowledge Agent on how to process and provide information. Instructions have been provided on citation, data structure handling, language consistency, detailed response generation, and personal identifiable information handling. This is where we input all the system prompts to ensure our answers are accurate. In the third quadrant, we have the chat box. Let's enlarge the chat box here. Interestingly, we can also provide context to the chat, allowing the AI to understand and answer successive questions. Now, let's ask a few questions. We know that the white paper for universities contains a mix of images, text, and graphs. Let's delve into the shared services for universities and how SuperVidy can assist these institutions. We'll pose these questions and wait momentarily for the response. Soon we'll have our answer, providing an in-depth understanding of how SuperVidy can support universities through routine task automation and predictive analytics. The source of this information is indicated as pages 2 and 5. Since we're in a video format, let's proceed to another question. What is the SuperVidy AI Agents Academy? Upon asking this, we discover that it's a platform designed to explore how AI agents can boost business efficiency, complete with a link to a related video. Now, let's shift our focus to the banking sector. We ask, how can SuperVidy assist banks? The AI locates the answer on page 7 of the slide, confirming that SuperVidy can indeed support banks, offering a range of solutions. Moving on to integration, we are preparing to introduce new integrations soon. If we aim to incorporate this chatbot into any website, we simply direct ourselves to the Collections section and choose from the integration options. Within these options, we are granted the ability to copy this JavaScript and paste it into the desired location for the chatbot. Moreover, we can customize it to fit our needs. In essence, this knowledge agent is a highly potent AI tool that can be deployed across your PDFs, Excel files, videos, audios, and key URLs. It is capable of answering detailed questions based on the provided information. Thank you.